So this was like 14 quid on eBay. The theory I'm thinking is it should sit nice up here and give me that wee bit of extra protection just in my face that's missing by this wee screen, but without me having the big massive monster screen, which we can see in previous reviews was fucking lethal ultimately. So it even came with all its NB Allen keys. They're shit, but will do the job today. Now, I've had one of these before on another bike and it made a bit of a difference, but it wasn't something I was using as much as I use this. So I'm just going to try and get it squared up in the middle. That's that one. Then I'm going to show you the mechanism of this. It's just a couple of Allen bolts that tighten this up onto the screen. Like in typical there. Right, let's get a proper one. Right, so that's that done. That was easy. Let's bring you in for a peek. So, what's happening here is this obviously kind of moves around about. So I'm thinking about there-ish. This is secured here. So I'm thinking when you can adjust it all of there. I'm thinking kind of flat up like that's probably going to be the best for me. Although this doesn't look particularly straight or level at all. But that's because I'm not moving both of them. So there's the whole range of movement. So I'm thinking I'm going to have it kind of there, and then these bits here there's just a little lever that you snap down and snap down. Okay, and this bit itself is held on. There's two wee screws go in here, and then round the back we have this concoction of, there's a plastic button you get that pushes through that interlinks with this button. So once you've got it in place, just twist it and twist it, and that's that. That's pretty solid. So that's me pretty much getting their winterization. Of muffs to go. Tighten this up a little bit. I'll have the muffs probably to go on it, or heated gloves if I can find some that will suit my midget mini fingers.